How to delete app cache on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, go to iPhone Storage. This section displays how much storage is used and available, along with a list of apps and their storage usage. You can also find recommendations for freeing up space, such as offloading unused apps or managing photos and videos. Here, scroll down to find the app you want to offload and tap on it. For example, CapCut. Then, tap on Offload App. Tap on Offload App again to confirm. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. If you want to install it again, then tap on Reinstall App over here. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Following these steps, you can easily delete app cache on iPhone.